everyone. In case you don't know me, my name is Miss Katie. I'm That Vegan Teacher. And recently, there's somebody here on YouTube who's been attacking me and really just trying to defend the fact that they keep paying for the rape, torture, confinement, sadness, enslavement, and murder of innocent animals. Now, this person, we don't know who he, she, they is, because that person keeps hiding their identity. We don't actually know if this is somebody who is employed by the meat industry to try just to be cruel and to keep promoting their products. We don't know. And who could pay somebody to be the voiceover. This is somebody who uses cartoons depicting a thin white woman with blue eyes, but we have no idea. Could be some fat guy who's 450 pounds for all we know, sitting behind a computer. But anyway, recently, there was supposed to be a face reveal of Anna Oop, which never happened. But anyway, I know that some of her audience are coming here from time to time to check out who is Miss Katie exactly. So I thought I would show you a video that I made about her, which is a song. I don't know if you're going to like it or not, but it pretty much explains how I feel about her, him, the industry, the egg industry, the meat industry, the dairy industry. And because I've already played this video, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to dance along beside it. So if you guys want to get up, move a little bit. It's a song I wrote. I know I'm not the best songwriter ever, but I did compose the tune myself, and I do sing all the vocals and play all the instruments. So sit back if you want. It's less than 3 minutes, or just get up and let's move a bit. Let's get a little bit of exercise. All right? Here we go. Let's listen. Turn it up loud.
Anna Oop is a vegan phobic poop. Anna Oop is a vegan phobic poop. Anna Oop is a vegan phobic poop. She pays people to cut up baby animals and attacks animal defenders. Yeah, that's the scoop. Cats, cows, sheep, pigs, dogs, no animals are safe in her vicinity. Chickens, turkeys, rabbits, lambs need protection from this narcissistic bully. No empathy, no empathy, no empathy, no empathy. Why contribute to so much cruelty? No empathy, no empathy, no empathy. They've committed no crimes, they deserve their liberty. She promotes violence against baby animals because they'll never be able to lay eggs. Baby boy chicks are ground up alive at just 1 day old in the egg industry. To view footage of this, Google watchdominion.com, 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 watchdominion.com. Don't discriminate. She condones sexual assault of males and females. In the meat and dairy industries, bulls are sexually assaulted. Their sperm is stolen. It is forcefully inserted into a female cow in a device that the industry itself calls a rape rack. Google earthlings.com, 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 earthlings.com. Anna Oop is a vegan phobic poop. Anna Oop is a vegan phobic poop. Anna Oop is a vegan phobic poop. She pays people to cut up baby animals and attacks animal defenders. Yeah, that's the scoop. Cats, cows, sheep, pigs, dogs, no animals are safe in her vicinity. Chickens, turkeys, rabbits, lambs need protection from this narcissistic bully. No empathy, no empathy, no empathy, no empathy. Why contribute to so much cruelty? No empathy, no empathy, no empathy. They've committed no crimes, they deserve their liberty. There's a special place in hell for those who pay to torture the innocent. There's a special place in hell, and for sure she will be in it. She pays to hear animals scream in terror. She pays to hear animals begging for mercy. She pays for sexual assault, bestiality. Yep, that's what they do in the meat, dairy, and egg industries. It's a never-ending cycle of cruelty. Anna Oop is a vegan phobic poop. Anna Oop is a vegan phobic poop. Anna Oop is a vegan phobic poop. She pays people to cut up baby animals and attacks animal defenders. Yeah, that's the scoop. Cats, cows, sheep, pigs, dogs, no animals are safe in her vicinity. Chickens, turkeys, rabbits, lambs need protection from this narcissistic bully. No empathy, no empathy, no empathy, no empathy. Why contribute to so much cruelty? No empathy, no empathy, no empathy. They've committed no crimes, they deserve their liberty. Anna Oop is a vegan phobic poop.
Yeah, she is. It's hard to dance to that song, knowing so many animals right now are suffering. and that somebody like her can make fun of their suffering. It's beyond my ability to comprehend. But somehow I have to get the message to you guys. And for those of you who might have missed the original video, there it is. I encourage you to watch the original video, without me dancing, and really look at the images. I can't monetize videos where I show animal suffering, because the meat, dairy, and egg industries, they won't support that. They won't put their commercials on those videos. That's why someone like her has 2 million followers, and I have, how many do I have? 149,000. So I urge you, if you actually care about animals, and if you can see past my awkward and ridiculous dancing, and just see what I'm really trying to do here, which is to defend animals, then I encourage you to subscribe to this channel and unsubscribe to her channel. I'm trying to defend animals, and she's trying to encourage you to keep hurting them. We're going forward to protect the environment, to protect your health, and to protect the most innocent on this planet. So I hope you join me. Coming up, by the way, are going to be other videos on this channel. You're going to see them pop up. Please click on them. Please subscribe. Press the notification bell. And help me get these animals out of hell. To those of you who are new here and decide to be vegan, happy Vegan Declaration Day. So proud of you guys. Thanks.